With spring coming up, we know you all are eager to do the best spring DIYs. So us here at Ready Set Viral are here to bring you the best spring DIYs. Let's head right into it. Number 1, cute flower bouquet. If you want to make some of your own flowers, all you need to do is first get some colorful tissue paper. Now, roll it up onto a dowel, take the dowel out, and cut little strips like so. Once you do that, get a green wire or stick and place this onto the tissue paper. Roll it like so down the wire and it'll look something like this. Scrunch it down on the end and then get a green piece of tissue paper in a triangle and fold this over the bottom. Do this multiple times with different colors and you'll have an amazing flower bouquet. Number 2, glow-in-the-dark flowers. If you want to turn your boring old white flowers into glow-in-the-dark ones, get some highlighters and remove the tips of them with tweezers. Place them into glasses of water as well as squeezing out this tube that is in the highlighter. Leave it for the night with the flowers inside, and once you see them in the dark with all of the water inside, they will definitely glow in the dark. Number 3, rose decorations. For this one, get some colored construction paper and cut it in a spiral like so. Once you're doing that, get a dowel and roll the first little bit of it onto it and roll the rest after that. Then, let it go just a little bit with your fingers and hot glue the little tab that will fall out. Once you do that, you can have a bunch of roses of different colors, depending on how many you make, and you can use them as little decorations on presents or just placing them around the house. It's perfect for spring. Number 5, amazing flower DIY. For this one, start with some tissue paper, a stack of it, and fold a small strip of the stack like so. Flip it around and fold another strip and do so until you reach the end of the stack. Staple the middle of the stack and round out the edges of this stack with some scissors. Once you're done that, you can unravel the stack like so, and you will be given an amazing flower like this. For us, we placed them on small sticks and made a bouquet, but you can use it however you'd like. Number 6, make your roses last longer. Roses are an amazing addition to your house, especially during the springtime. If you want your flowers to last a little bit longer, all you have to do is place some wax into a bowl and place it over some boiling water so that it will melt. Then, dip your roses into the wax and it will preserve them for even longer. Number 7, spring scarf. For this one, get the tips of a lot of different flowers and secure it to the material with some tape. Get a hammer and hammer down the flowers so that the colors will transfer onto the scarf. It will be just as if the flowers were already there. Number 8, grass in an egg. For this one, smash a small opening of an egg with a spoon at the top and pour out all of the insides. Then put some small little pieces of mulch as well as any seeds that you would like. Now water them and it will be as if the eggs are a pot for whatever plant you chose. You can put some faces on them and decorate them however you like, but it's a really simple way to have some amazing potted grass. Number 9, another way to place roses. For this one, get some bubble wrap and fold it like so and cut the corner. Then open it up, put a rose inside, and it will be able to float on the water. You can use a lot of them in one little bowl and it will be just perfect. It's better than your normal rose bouquet. Number 10, colorful fan. We know that once spring comes, it starts to get super hot and you start using your fan much more. If you want it to look a little bit cooler in your home, take off the cover of the fan and paint with acrylic paint the blades of the fan. You can use any color you want, But once you let it dry and place the cover back over, your fan will be cooler than it was before. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!